Thanks for coming back to the crypto report. This is Black Sea and I have another video for you guys today. I want to talk about PEPE on Ethereum because I think PEPE is about to have a meteoric rise. I'll tell you why I think that's going to happen and where I think it's going. So without further ado, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Guys, let's watch this movie. Okay, so if you want to follow me on Twitter, my handle is 3BlackSea. I'm very busy over there trying to keep you guys up to date on what's going on as this bull market enters what I'm calling the easy phase. During this phase, everything goes up and it's pretty easy to make money as long as you remember to take gains. We don't want to keep that bag forever, but we are making big steps into the easy part of the bull market where everything is going up. You wake up in the morning and think, oh, my portfolio is up. The next day you go to sleep. Every morning you wake up and see that your collection is up again. That part is beginning to come together. This is the main thing that makes me think that PEPE will do really well. Okay guys, I say on crypto to Twitter that ETC is steadily going up. We want growth to be slow. That's right, Ethereum is going against the value of Bitcoin, which is great. In other words, the market mood for ETH, BTC and Ethereum in general has been terrible for the past 6 months. Basically, if you only looked at crypto to Twitter, you'd think Ethereum is dead and its value was zero. Guys, most of the time it's close to the bottom when everyone thinks it's dead. And I said on Twitter, this is either the bottom for Ethereum or we still have a long way to go. And I believe the bottom has been reached now that Ethereum is selling at around $3,200. It's likely to keep going up from here. Now that we're talking about PEPE, why are we talking about ETH-BTC? What does ETH-BTC have to do with PEPE? And why do I think it's so important? I'm going to tell you the truth, guys. Watching Ethereum's value rise against Bitcoin or ETH-BTC is what I think is a huge sign that meme coins and altcoins are about to make big moves. Furthermore, I believe it is the main reason why altcoin season will start. I believe that as it grows more slowly, all the coins will move faster. The chances of the bull market ending rise with the speed at which it grows. Pay attention. And this is a picture I posted that I got while dealing. We're going to look at ETH-BTC soon. Guys, I've seen some people say that ETH is rising so slowly. The Bitcoin price goes up by 10%. The price of Ethereum goes up by 2%. When the price of Bitcoin drops by 1%, it's so slow, but ETH goes down 3%. It goes down faster. Don't rush things, guys. As soon as you see Ethereum making huge gains and Bitcoin moving in a straight line, you should be more careful. That should make you suspicious. I always think, okay, altcoins are going to move very quickly here when I see that happen. However, this is the final impulse wave of the bull market, or if this macro went up, there will likely be some very large and sharp moves to the downside very soon and prices will likely stay stable for a long time. That's why it's strong, guys. Being able to see Ethereum and ETH-BTC slowly rise is a very good sign. Guys, we want to see it slowly get better. Right now we're looking at PEPE. PEPE is up a nice 49% in the last week and a nice 12.27% in the last 24 hours. It has been going down a little over the last hour or so, but as I already said, I think we're in a pretty easy mode. The stores will start to open up again in the area. More and more people are going to be crazy, hyped up, or afraid of missing out FOMO, and I think that will continue for the next few months. Guys, I think that if ETH is slowly moving up, then PEPE and all the other cryptocurrencies will also slowly move up. We've begun to notice that this situation seems to be repeating itself. In the beginning of the cycle, meme coins did well while everything else stayed the same. And some people said, hey, I think the old cyclical market is dead. In that market, Bitcoin gets the money, which then moves into Ethereum, then the big caps, and finally the memes. We're going to skip all that and just talk about Bitcoin jokes. Guys, things have changed. Nature's sick little self is back. There has been a rush of money into Bitcoin and Ethereum since it came back. The big caps are moving now and PEPE is moving. Guys, the joke coins will be back after the utility coins. I think PEPE will make some really big moves. It's likely to stay the third most valuable joke coin in the cycle. There is a global shift happening here with crypto. It's possible that the super cycle is real. It's funny how some of you guys say that on crypto Twitter, but PEPE can make it 10 times better from here. The market value can reach $50 billion. I really like PEPE. It has been on my mind for a while. CryptoKeep, Oscar Ramos and Zach Humphreys are all great guys. I was telling them that I think Pepe might be the third musketeer of those Shiba Inu Pepe. Okay? It's a great joke. People are paying attention to it. Guys, I expect big things to happen here. We're just putting everything together here if you look at Pepe too. Guys, we haven't even taken off yet. It's up 50%, but we're still pretty close to all-time highs. We will count from the worst week to the best week. About 120%, which is the same as a 2x from here, right? It's simple. A $10 billion PEPE would be easy and was likely to happen. I really enjoy Pepe. I also have Pepe on stacks. To get an edge over Pepe a little more. I know I say this a lot, but it's just an exciting time. I expect big things to happen here, guys. It's an exciting time. You can start to see the cyclical nature and the cyclical liquidity moving and coming down in the right way, not just going from Bitcoin to meme coins. It's not good to see that, not good. Prices are going up, but not as much as they were going up. It will only last for a shorter time. We're not seeing that right now, which is great. We can see the cyclical like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana, and it's starting to flow down into useful coins. So that when Ethereum is up and running, layer 2 is also up and running, and then it goes to the meme, which is great. ETTC is strongly rising at the moment. Okay, we can't get Cypher sold. Here the flow of money is beginning to turn up. In short, this is when the red wave is red. That's money leaving this pair, but it's beginning to come back now. Okay guys, let's look at the daily. Let's take a quick look at the weekly just for fun if the money starts to come again. We're just getting started. We are only beginning. Here's a green dot and a green volume. It looks good, but this page has a lot more information than the daily. I think it will be altcoin season soon if the red wave can start to turn and do a green money flow. I think Bitcoin will lose its authority. And I know that the word collapse sounds awful, but we really want that. We want Bitcoin to lose its power because that's when altcoin season really gets going. Okay, I think that will happen. When the money flow turns green, it means that more people are buying Ethereum than Bitcoin. This is the start of altcoin season, and buying and chasing will be fine when it gets to this point. The market is in an easy phase during a bull market, and I think that's what's going to happen right now, guys. But if you think Ethereum is going to go up and bring Pepe and all the other joke coins with it, please use the links in the description box below and the comment that has been pinned below. We're giving Bluffin a $5,000 welcome bonus. They have a huge number of joke coins. You can use leverage to trade. You can use leverage to go long or short. Hey, I think Pepe is going to 2x from here, and I want to make 10 times what I put in. After that, you can use Bluffin. Guys, all you have to do is click that link, make a deposit, trade a little, and get a bunch of free money from the sign-up offers. They want you to use these sites while the market is rising so you can get free money. But please take on more danger, guys. It's dangerous at times, but when used right, it can be very helpful. Where is Bitcoin then? What's going on with the market as a whole? Guys, Bitcoin hit $81,000 today. New all-time high.